So I'm going to show you what Haha Broken Screen app, how to use it, and the cool features which are in this app. Okay. After installing the app, you have like free fun features. There's a broken screen and plug sound and fake call. It's kind of really actually fun to uh, have a call for maybe Messi or something. It's kind of for fun. Prank sound, they have like some sounds, and you can really plug some people with sounds and broken screen. So we're going to see how all this work. Okay, the app is kind of really cool, but the only issue is it has a lot of ads, and I almost actually failed to use it for the last, I think, 2 minutes because of the ads. Okay, so broken screen, let me select the broken screen. Okay, so after click on the broken screen, they will show you several broken screens that you can choose from. And let me say, let me like this. Open advert is not going to come. Let me click on this. Okay. So when you click on this, you can click on start the plank to load this. If you want to see how it's going to look, you can click on preview, and let's see. So that's how it looks. Okay, so try to do like preview to see how it's going to do. So let me just do done so that I can return back. There are lots of ads, and some of the ads you can't really escape them. It's kind of really crazy, and even if you try to restart the phone, it kind of just keeps coming. So if you are satisfied with this preview, you can click on start plank. Okay, they have a touch and a shake option. Check option, if you kind of use a shake, if you shake the phone, that's when the plank comes. Okay, I prefer the touch. Let me go back. Okay, another ad. Oh my gosh, right. So they have a lots of ads, and some of these ads you can't really escape. So I tried to restart my app several times, but I realized I couldn't really escape all this. So let me go back. So there is a plank sound, there's a fake call. I was so surprised with a fake call. Let me click on a fake call. You can make a call from Messi. You can make a call as if it's coming from Santa. Maybe Terra Shift, can make a call it's coming from Scary. Cool girl, maybe from a cute girl, maybe from a guy, whatever you may prefer. So let me see who I can get a call from. I think let me go get a call from Cardi B. Okay, this is actually not Cardi B. This is Nicki. Okay, all right. So let me get a call from TerraShift. Okay, so you click on TerraShift. This is just an ad, so you just have to really wait for. Okay, let me try to cross this ad. Okay, so TerraShift will be calling you, so you can show like, "Hey guys, TerraShift is calling me." So the funny thing is when you select, okay, let me accept the call. TerraShift will be in a video call with you. Okay, so it's kind of very crazy. Okay, so this is a plank that you can do to your friends that you're getting a call from TerraShift. So let me cross this call. Let me go back. Something like that. So that is how cool it is. You can say maybe you're getting a call from Messi. Let's try to skip this ad. Okay. Let's try to skip this ad. So that's how actually this app works. Let me go back to plank sound. Under plank sound, you can have a sound of fart, a hair clipper, a gun, a whip, uh, yeah, something like that, guys. Okay, scary, all that stuff. So that's what I can say about the ha 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 broken screen app, and you can try it out. Okay, it's kind of really cool. It has a lot of reviews. and have more than 1 million downloads. Okay, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in random app reviews like this. Okay, see you and bye bye.